انت منين جاكي هذا المرض؟ الساكي بعز شبابك.
Hey guys, so today we're gonna do the unboxing of the 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 CDs of PS4 Slim Mode. So now let's begin. FIFA 17, GTA 5, Infamous Second Son, Uncharted 4, and Batman Arkham Knight. These 5 PlayStation games are the best for now. You can see them. See them, guys. See them.
First, we have here the FIFA 17 and Journey. Infamous is a school. He's taking and Batman.
He fights Gotham. Uncharted 4, Nathan Drake is the
Uncharted
best.
4. This is Uncharted 4 and look
And
at
final, Trevor Michael Franklin.
Trevor Michael
GTA 5.
Frankel and it's
So guys, I hope you enjoyed this unboxing video. So then we'll do a video of playing a game soon. So will you be there? Good luck. Peace out. Game is done.